Before it ever touches a wrist, before it measures a second, this story begins in silence, darkness, and unimaginable value. What if time is not created, but forged through fire and pressure, shaped by absolute precision? Hidden behind secure doors, guided by science and human mastery, gold begins a journey few will ever see. This is not just how a watch is made. This is the origin of the Rolex gold watch. Now the doors open, machines awaken, and a manufacturing of the Rolex gold watch begins. Deep inside a secure luxury foundry, rows of raw gold bars rest under warm light, silently holding the future value of time itself. 3 skilled workers study a single gold bar carefully, aware that this chosen piece will soon become something rare, precise, and timeless. Gloved hands glide across the textured gold surface, feeling its weight and purity as it moves forward into transformation. A supervisor scans the batch code digitally, assigning identity to gold destined for a future Rolex gold watch. The conveyor carries gold deeper into the factory, where engineering precision meets human mastery in perfect rhythm. Inside the furnace, flames roar alive, welcoming the gold into an environment where only strength survives. Under extreme heat, solid gold softens and glows, beginning its surrender to reshaping and refinement. Molten gold swirls inside the crucible like liquid fire, forming the foundation of enduring excellence. Protected by specialized gear, a worker lifts the crucible carefully, controlling molten gold with calm precision. Glowing gold pours into the mold flawlessly, illuminating the space with the first visible promise of legacy. Every corner fills perfectly, because perfection is demanded long before beauty becomes visible. Thermal imaging reveals balanced cooling, ensuring purity and internal strength from the very beginning. The casting chamber opens, revealing red-hot gold alive with energy and potential. Heat waves rise as the gold cools, marking the transition from chaos to control. Temperature readings confirm exact precision, proving discipline governs every step of creation. The hardened mold breaks open, revealing a rough golden structure filled with future possibility. Steam escapes as hot gold meets air, symbolizing transformation achieved through force and patience. The raw surface shows imperfections, reminding us excellence is shaped, not rushed. Hanging freely, cast gold cools naturally, resting before refinement begins again. Precision tools separate individual case blanks, each now following its own path to perfection. One gold case ring is selected and placed aside, continuing toward its final destiny. Grinding sparks ignite as rough edges begin to disappear under skilled hands. Gold dust floats through light beams, capturing craftsmanship in motion. The grinding wheel smooths gold steadily, revealing refined form beneath resistance. The worker rotates the case, visually confirming symmetry and balance by eye. A CNC chamber seals shut, preparing for precision beyond human reach alone. Cutting tools sculpt gold at micron accuracy, defining the watch's iconic geometry. Sparks burst briefly as excess material vanishes with controlled force. A technician observes closely through glass, ensuring flawless execution throughout. Calibration confirms tolerances so small they define excellence itself. Lubrication flows smoothly, keeping machines perfect during intense shaping. Freshly milled components emerge, sharper, cleaner, and closer to identity. Under microscopes, technicians search for perfection invisible to the naked eye. Edges appear flawless, geometry exact, confirming mastery at microscopic scale. Tweezers adjust tiny components delicately, where precision defines longevity. Lug holes are drilled carefully, preparing the case for its bracelet connection. The drill pierces gold cleanly, removing material with surgical precision. A laser activates, preparing to permanently mark identity into gold. The Rolex crown burns into the caseback, a symbol recognized worldwide. The name Rolex is etched deeply, ensuring permanence beyond time itself. Engraving depth is inspected closely because authenticity allows no compromise. Inner engravings are verified, hidden signatures of originality and trust. Gold cases enter heat treatment, strengthening metal structure from within. Digital graphs monitor exact temperature curves throughout the process. Heated trays are removed safely, strengthening now complete. Polishing begins with controlled precision as raw gold slowly transforms into a mirror-like surface that reflects light, discipline, and extraordinary patience. With every careful pass, clarity deepens, revealing elegance shaped not by speed, but by unwavering dedication to perfection. The lugs are refined delicately, their curves sharpened until reflections flow cleanly across every edge and surface. Hand polishing removes the final microscopic imperfections, achieving a flawless finish that machines alone cannot deliver. Finished cases rest together, glowing uniformly, each one resembling a sculpted piece of gold art awaiting its heart. Movement components are arranged with absolute precision, preparing the intricate mechanism that will soon command time itself. A ruby jewel is placed gently into position, reducing friction while ensuring durability across generations of movement. The movement bridge is secured carefully, stabilizing the structure that holds countless moving parts in perfect balance. Microscopic screws tighten seamlessly, locking precision into place where even fractions of a millimeter matter. The balance wheel installs smoothly, introducing motion that transforms static components into a living mechanism. The hairspring begins to breathe rhythmically, marking the very first heartbeat of the watch's mechanical life. The watchmaker listens intently, confirming that rhythm, harmony, and timing meet the strictest standards of excellence. A radiant blue dial is lifted carefully, introducing identity, contrast, and unmistakable character to the watch. The dial lowers gently into place, aligning flawlessly as mechanical life continues uninterrupted beneath it. Gold hands are pressed precisely into position, aligning beauty with purpose, elegance with absolute function. Clearance is inspected closely, ensuring the hands glide smoothly without resistance, friction, or interference. The completed movement is lowered into its gold oyster case, uniting exterior beauty with mechanical mastery. The caseback seals shut with authority, protecting the heart of the watch within its golden shell. The fluted bezel is polished meticulously, sharpening reflections that define one of the most iconic designs in watchmaking. Light dances across every facet of the bezel, revealing unmistakable brilliance from every viewing angle. Bracelet links are assembled one by one, forming a structure that balances strength, flexibility, and comfort. Each screw is tightened precisely, ensuring durability that will endure decades of daily wear. The bracelet attaches seamlessly to the case, completing the watch's unmistakable silhouette. The clasp snaps closed with confidence, confirming security, reliability, and trust in every movement. Under intense inspection lights, the final examination begins, revealing even the smallest surface details. Bezel and crystal alignment are checked carefully, ensuring perfect symmetry and flawless clarity. The watch enters motion testing, simulating years of natural wrist movement in accelerated time. Accuracy is confirmed as approval indicators illuminate, proving mechanical performance meets elite standards. Water resistance testing begins under controlled pressure, challenging every seal without compromise. Tiny air bubbles rise briefly, testing the integrity of protection against the elements. The watch emerges flawless, fully sealed and ready for real-world conditions. Ultrasonic waves cleanse the watch gently, removing particles invisible to the human eye. Compressed air restores a spotless finish, leaving the gold surface pristine and radiant. A skeleton dial reveals the mechanical soul beneath sapphire, exposing beauty normally hidden from view. Hands are aligned delicately over exposed gears, preserving visual harmony and functional precision. A unique serial number is engraved permanently into gold, marking identity that can never be replicated. Black lacquer fills the engraving carefully, enhancing contrast and long-term legibility. Diamonds are set with exact alignment, each stone positioned to maximize brilliance and symmetry. A luminous mother-of-pearl dial completes the expression of luxury, depth, and refinement. Multiple watches undergo final inspection together, each judged independently against uncompromising standards. Every diamond is checked individually, ensuring security, brilliance, and perfect placement. Fingerprints are gently removed by hand, restoring untouched perfection. A gold day-date model receives silent final approval, signaling readiness for the world. The watch rests inside its presentation box, complete and protected, awaiting its owner. Documentation is prepared carefully, recording authenticity, heritage, and lifetime service history. The box closes softly, completing a ritual that marks the end of creation. Green presentation boxes move forward, beginning their journey across the globe. Cartons are sealed and labeled, prepared for worldwide delivery and anticipation. Inside the boutique, the box opens once more, revealing gold beneath soft lights. The watch is presented with pride and respect, reflecting mastery in every detail. The customer feels the weight of gold and legacy resting on the wrist. Time now lives here, where craftsmanship, patience, and history move forward together. Thank you for watching the journey of the Rolex Gold Watch, where craftsmanship turns gold into timeless legacy.